Your game deserves more than just any paddle. The best pickleball paddles combine thoughtful design, material quality, and performance consistency, so you can hit with confidence whether you're dinking at the net or driving from the baseline. Here are the best 5 pickleball paddles that deliver power, control, and spin for every level of play. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Juciao Speed-X Pickleball Paddle. There is something instantly addictive about the way this paddle feels. Almost like it is daring you to hit harder, react quicker, and chase every wild shot just to see what it can do next. The moment you pick it up, the first thing you notice is the raw energy built into its frame. That T700 carbon fiber surface has this gritty confidence to it, the kind that practically begs the ball to spin, dip, and curve in ways that make opponents second-guess every return. It has that crisp pop when you strike the ball, but it also keeps this wonderfully controlled touch that makes soft dinks and resets feel satisfyingly precise. It is the kind of material that makes you think maybe technology really can make you play better. Then there is that 16mm thickness, which sounds like a small detail, but genuinely changes how the paddle behaves in your hand. It feels balanced and solid without ever feeling sluggish. The thicker core makes control almost instinctive, letting you guide the ball rather than just react to it. Long rallies feel easier to manage because you get this gentle cushioning that takes the sting out of fast drives, letting you stay calm and collected instead of bracing for impact. It is the kind of comfort that sneaks up on you mid-game, when you suddenly realize you are not fighting the paddle at all. You are just playing. Inside, the PP honeycomb core keeps everything steady. It cuts down the vibration that usually rattles through your grip, giving each shot a dependable stability. Power, though, is where the paddle really loves to show off. The combination of the stiff carbon surface and the structured honeycomb interior gives you this punchy, explosive impact when you need to finish a point. You can feel the potential building when you load up for a drive, and that moment of contact feels clean and deliberate. It brings a sense of control, even in aggressive play, which is a rare and satisfying blend. Pros: power boost, smooth control, enhanced spin, solid stability. Cons: slight weight, high demand. Number 4. Joysent Neofoam Pickleball Paddle. There is a bold, electric feel to this paddle, like it was built for players who love the rush of taking command of a rally and bending the pace of the game to their will. The moment you swing it, you can tell the construction was not just engineered, but obsessively refined. The layered T700 raw carbon fiber face gives off this confident matte texture that grabs the ball with serious intent. Every contact feels grippy and deliberate, almost like the paddle is whispering that you have more spin left to give. That tightly aligned aerospace-grade carbon brings a mix of stiffness and liveliness that makes each shot feel tuned for both finesse and fury. It is the kind of surface that invites you to test the limits of your placement, pushing higher arcs, sharper angles, and that sneaky late dip opponents never see coming. Inside, the Neofoam EPP core adds a whole different kind of personality. Instead of a hollow, vibrating thud, you get this dense, high rebound sensation that seems to push energy back into the ball just when you need it. There is a satisfying balance between firmness and quiet shock absorption. Hard drives feel powerful without feeling jarring, and soft touches absorb seamlessly into the foam, giving you a renewed sense of touch around the kitchen. It is the type of core that keeps you hungry for longer rallies because your hand stays relaxed, even under stress. You feel the stability and composure even when the pace gets wild. The hybrid shape is one of those features you appreciate more the longer you play. By stretching the length while keeping a confident width, it creates a sweet spot that feels almost oversized. Off-center hits still carry the steady, predictable rebound that keeps the point alive. That little extra forgiveness becomes addictive because it lets you play bolder angles without paying the price for imperfection. You start taking shots you might have avoided before, trusting that the paddle will back you up. There is also something reassuringly tough about the TPU edge guard. It wraps the paddle with this protective confidence that makes you less afraid of clashes, scrapes, or those chaotic scramble points where everything gets messy. You feel like you can dive for the ball or stretch for a low dig, and your paddle can take the abuse without flinching. Durability becomes part of the identity here, and for players who go hard, that matters more than they admit. Pros: strong spin, high power, smooth feel, wider sweet spot. Cons: slight heft, higher price. Number 3. Songyi T700 Pickleball Paddle. There is a playful but seriously capable energy running through this paddle, the kind that makes you feel a little bolder with every swing. The carbon fiber surface has this gritty, textured finish that seems to grip the ball for an extra heartbeat, just long enough to load up spin that feels a little outrageous. Every strike has that crisp bite that makes you want to test the edges of your control, carving sharp angles or pushing deep, skidding drives that catch opponents leaning the wrong way. It feels engineered for mischief and precision at the same time, which is honestly a pretty addictive combo if you like bending rallies to your will. The way the paddle balances power and touch feels almost sneaky. The blend of EKP and high elastic foam creates this incredibly satisfying calmness in your hand. Like the vibrations get swallowed before they can distract you. Hard swings stay stable. Soft resets feel buttery. There is this grounded smoothness that keeps your hand relaxed, which ends up giving you cleaner form without even trying. That 16mm thickness gives the whole structure this composed backbone. So even off-center hits come off the face with more confidence than they have any right to. It makes tough defensive plays feel strangely doable, like the paddle is giving you a small nudge of help right when you need it. The handle is another thing that stands out. It wraps into your grip with this plush but sturdy feel, the kind of grip that makes you forget about adjusting or squeezing harder when the pace ramps up. Sweaty hands do not slip. Quick changes in direction feel dependable. You get this sense of control that builds from the ground up, making fast exchanges at the kitchen line way more manageable. The boomstick-style balance tuning system with a metal counterweight adds its own personality. The paddle feels intentionally tuned so that the momentum flows naturally through your swing instead of dragging behind you. That balanced MOI design spreads out the weight in a way that keeps the paddle feeling lively without being twitchy. It smooths out your motion, making long, confident strokes feel effortless and quick flick volleys feel snappy and precise. Pros: strong spin, great control, soft feel, balanced weight. Cons: minor learning, moderate grip size. Number 2. Juciao Aeolus 1.0 Pickleball Paddle. There is a rush of clean speed and controlled strength the moment this paddle cuts through the air, like it is built to turn every swing into something a little sharper and a little more intentional. The first thing you notice is how effortlessly it moves. That arrow throat design is not just for show. You actually feel the air slide away from the paddle as you swing, giving you this smooth, accelerated sensation that makes quick counters and last-second drives feel way more manageable. It is the kind of aerodynamic touch that sneaks into your muscle memory, and suddenly your timing feels just a bit ahead of the ball instead of chasing it. The carbon fiber face brings this crisp, high-performance character that instantly raises the stakes of your shots. Each hit has a polished firmness to it, the kind that rewards players who like to hit with purpose. The surface just feels tuned for power, but not in an uncontrollable way. It is strong without being wild, letting you send deep drives with confidence while still having enough bite to guide tight angles at the kitchen line. You feel the ball come off the face with a fast, satisfying rebound that makes you want to push the tempo of every rally. Then comes that 19mm thermoformed core, and honestly, it adds a whole different depth to the experience. The paddle feels incredibly solid, almost sturdily quiet in the way it absorbs contact. Instead of the hollow pop that some paddles give, this one delivers impact with a controlled firmness that feels steady in your hand. Reset shots feel cleaner, blocks feel calmer. When the ball hits off center, the core does a great job stabilizing everything, so you still get a reliable response instead of a wobbly miss hit. It brings a confidence that grows on you throughout a match. The lightweight build is a blessing in longer games. Sitting comfortably in that 220-gram range, it feels quick without being flimsy. Your arm does not tire as fast, your grip stays relaxed, and you can switch instantly between soft finesse touches and fast-paced volleys without losing accuracy. It is the kind of weight distribution that just feels natural, almost like the paddle is an extension of your wrist rather than something you are constantly managing. Pros: Fast swing, clean power, steady control, soft impact. Cons: slight stiffness. Number 1, and the winner is Juciao WUKong Pro Pickleball Paddle. There is this charged, almost fearless personality to the paddle, the kind that makes you feel like every rally is an opportunity to push a little harder and swing with a little more ambition. From the first contact, you can feel the strength baked right into its build. The blend of Kevlar and carbon fiber does not just sound intense, it genuinely plays that way. There is a rugged confidence behind each hit, a feeling that the paddle can take whatever pace you throw at it and ask for more. That fusion material gives the face a firm precision that makes aggressive drives feel downright addictive, while still offering the feedback you need for those delicate, slow-motion kitchen exchanges. It is the kind of surface that makes you want to explore every corner of the court with bold intentions. The thermoformed unibody frame brings this grounded composure that settles into your grip the longer you play. Everything feels connected, smooth from throat to tip, with no weird flex or wobble to throw you off. You swing, the paddle follows, and the ball responds in this satisfyingly predictable way that keeps your rhythm tight, even when the point turns chaotic. That stability becomes a quiet advantage in long rallies. It tempers your timing and lets you trust your shot shape, especially when you have to respond fast under pressure. Then there is the spin-textured face, which has its own kind of magic. The moment the ball brushes across it, you can feel that gritty traction taking hold. It gives you this delicious sense of control over the ball's flight, making topspin drives dive sharper and slices skid lower than expected. It brings a mischievous creativity into your game, encouraging you to shape the ball instead of just sending it. Players who love crafting tricky angles and changing pace mid-rally will feel right at home with this design. The sweet spot feels surprisingly generous thanks to the tough Kevlar blend. Even slightly off-center hits stay steadier than you expect, coming off the face with enough precision to salvage tough defensive moments. That reliability is huge when you are scrambling or stretching out wide. It keeps you alive in points that would normally crack apart from mishits. The foam edge is another subtle but meaningful detail. It softens the edges both literally and in feel, keeping the paddle comfortable during quick wrist flick volleys or back-to-back blocking battles. During intense exchanges at the kitchen line, you notice the reduced vibration and the supportive feedback. It also adds a little layer of durability around the rim, giving you confidence when clashes happen mid-rally. Pros: high spin, strong power, solid stability, big sweet spot. Cons: slight rigidity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.